Hello everyone, gardener friends. This is Ram Sorat Garden at night time. Today is May 16. May 14. As you know, there are so many frogs. Like I said, my garden is promote the wildlife, the nature, and frog are one of them. I have many different types of frog. I have what they call the green chin frog, and what you see here is the tree frog, and they're kind of everywhere. And the sound is so amazing, and I'm doing that at night. A lot of beautiful flowers. I'm trying to get them. Okay, so I can show it to you. This is about nature, this garden, and I'm so proud of they live here and they make a beautiful sound. And may you have a wonderful evening. Thank you for watching.